Hello guys, welcome back. In the last video I am waiting for one part to build the micro. I have the part I have as mentioned in the last video. I am waiting for the B2 2.0 connector for the flight controller. It just arrived, so I'm just taking it. Like this is the part which took more than a week. So I'm very the whole work is stopped due to this part. So this is the part. So one is wood cable pigtail. So if you see this BT 2.06 pieces. So this is the battery. So basically this connects to the battery in this way. I need to make sure these won't touch together. Yeah. Let's go to our flight controller. So this is our FC. I want to make sure these two are in the same size. I want to cut this little bit so that they will be on the same size. Yeah. Since the connectors are too short, we need to go with the ones basically the connectors are too short. We need to go with the smaller tip. This is my screw kit. So this is the wrench for 5-inch props. I have everything in here. Let me set the temperature to 350 degrees. Okay, so let's keep this away. This particular pin is ground and this pin is battery positive. So we want to solder the pigtail connector to these leads. The white one is ground and the blue one is positive. Okay, let's start by cleaning the tip. Let's put some flux on the pads. I have put the flux around the components. So these wires are chipped off. Let me put some flux. Put heavy flux on this. The more your flux is, the more it will absorb your the shoulder. So I'm giving a tight little tight squeeze for this. Again putting it on the flux. Okay, let me start putting on the let me remove all the excess flux. Let's do a quick wire check on multimeter. I don't see a direct path. Okay, so the ground is connected to, yeah, that should be, that is expected. The final test here. Let's connect the battery now. So the blue is positive, the white is negative, so it is properly getting connected, guys. Yeah, so nothing broke, that means we are good, and the connection is little good, the soldering is good. Let's go to the next detailing. So let us put the, now it's time to assemble the board. So let's clean. I think this is the only part where we need to solder for microbes. We have direction marks in the flight controller, and make sure you're keeping it in the front direction of the quad. Yeah, we have installed all the motors. So basically this is my installation. So if you see here, the ones with the motors with the dots are like basically the anti-clockwise. So these are the anti-clockwise which goes in the diagonal. This is the forward facing of the uh, flight control. If you see these small arrows, so those arrows represent the forward facing, and these two are diagonal anti-clockwise, and these are clockwise. And to identify the anti-clockwise ones, you will have a small red dot in here, and on the pin. Now I will go with mounting the camera. So basically this is the mount. Basically the mobula 7 has a different mount, and which I can't able to obtain, so I'm using this 3D printed canopy, which was provided by the Up Masters for the free for the free of cost, like I said, freebie. So I'm just checking like what else is required. So this is my camera. So the camera goes like this. This is a TPU mount, so ideally it should fit properly. Yeah. So now if you see here, the fit is fine. The camera fit is good. It has fitted properly in the mount, as you see here. So this should goes in this way. These two goes here, and this comes in the front. So camera will go into this horizontal port. It's little difficult, so because I need to remove this FC a little bit. Let me try doing that. Maybe you first try to install camera if it is possible. I am not sure. Now it becomes little difficult because I installed motor plugs already. Okay, yeah, this is not that difficult. I think it is not that difficult. You can install the motor plugs and then can install the cameras at the end. Use the tweezers to push in the connector a little firmly, and then again put the flight controller in its place. Yeah, and check if any motor wires are losing. You can just rotate this a little bit to get that wire twisted. Okay, so let me install this and show you. This is the final build. So I didn't I didn't tighten the motors too much. So the next steps is to connect this to the ELRS boxer receiver. Next couple of maybe the next video might be connecting this to the boxer.